Let's see how to replace the links in bio on the Instagram using a simple comment automation to improve your sales and conversions on your products and services. This is just a random Instagram account right here, and here they have this link in bio right here. So if I click on this particular link in bio, they have actually added these links right here, and a particular customer might click on these links right here and go to these links, purchase any sort of products. So that's how the link in bio works. Suppose you can actually also create reels and post promoting your products or whatever the services you are providing, and simply ask the customer to comment a specific keyword to provide the same links. You will be asking them to visit your profile, click on these links right here. The reason is that it works because you actually simply send automated DMs to those customers who actually comment as specific keywords, and it actually create a simple personal connection. And suppose if they have some sort of questions about that particular product or the services, they will simply reply to that particular DM and ask about it. So this simply increase the conversions and sales for your products. For example, as you see here, this particular product, they're actually promoting some products, and as you see here, they simply ask them to comment as link to get that particular product link automatically sent to the DM. And here they have received tons of comments, and you can even automate these sort of public comment replies as well. So let me show how to build a similar system for your Instagram profile right here. So here you have to make sure you have connected your Instagram right here. So connecting Instagram channel is just a few clicks away. So you have to go to settings over here and choose channels over here and choose the Instagram. So you will have to simply click on connect right here to connect your Instagram over here. So it's already connected right here. So let's see how to use the comment automation tool to send specific links to your followers or the people who actually comment on your reels or Instagram post. So here I will have to use this particular thing, auto marketing over here. Click on it, and here I will have to use the Instagram comment automation tool right here. So before that, we have to actually craft the message we want to send to them. For that, I will have to go to the flows over here and create a new flow. So let me create the flow name as comment link. So let me just create a flow name as comment link right here and click continue. So here we want to send a message if they actually comment on the Instagram. So choose Instagram comment reply right here. Simple as that. And here you can create whatever the message you want to send them. Make sure it is just a single message block. So let me actually, you can send a text message with buttons, or you can even actually send a carousel option as well. So let's do carousel right here, and here you can actually upload your images or add links to those images as well. Let's actually use this particular Instagram profile, and let's see, this particular customer wants to promote glasses. So if I click on glasses right here, it will take me directly to this particular page. So let me copy the image address right here. Simple as that. So now I want to use this particular image in our carousel. So here you can use the insert link option, add the image we just copied, and it simply displays the image right here. So you can simply use like this option right here, and you have to add a title as well. So let's add a title as, so let's just add this one. That is the thing right there. So you can have your own titles there, and you can have your own emojis too. So for example, you can add like own emojis too. So here you can have your own emojis as well. So for example, like this, and here you can add a subtitle as well. So this particular person actually offers a discount coupon as well. So it says the discount coupon is W0F2F7. So let me use get 50% off, and here you can actually add the purchase link as well. So here you can add a button title right here, and you can again add whatever the emojis you want to have. For example, let's add like this. save it. And here for this particular button, so when they click on this button, if you want to send to a specific website, you can simply choose this particular website right here and click it and save it. So here you have the option to add multiple images as well. So if you don't want, you can simply delete it. So let me add one more image as well. So here let me add this copy image address and simply add this particular link as well. And let me simply use the same subtitle, and let me use the same title, and let me choose the same button as well. So here you can actually customize the button titles as well. So for example, mail, you can do like this as well. For example, if it is for mail, or you can send specific links, but in this case I'm going to simply use the same link, because that is the same link for both of these products. So let me change this one as female. So here we have created a simple Instagram comment link automation flow right here. So here you have your own customizations. So let me click publish. Alright, so now we can simply connect this particular automation to a specific post on your Instagram. For that, you have to go to auto marketings right here. So in the auto marketing, you have the Instagram comment automation. So click on it, and here you can simply, let's create a new Instagram comment automation tool, and let me say link, just the link, and continue. So you can have your own names, it is just for the reference. You choose specific post, or if you are planning to promote your products on multiple post, you can simply choose all posts. So here let me choose specific post, and here you can find all the posts on your Instagram profile. So let me choose test post 7 right here. So let me choose this one. So that particular automation will work on the test post 7 only, so keep in mind. So let me click continue, and here what is the private reply to the comment. So when someone comment as link, what is the private reply? So you have to simply choose the flow we just created and comment link. So this particular message will be sent as soon as in their DMs, as soon as they comment as link over there. And public reply to comments. For example, if I show you this particular profile once again, and if I click on this profile, so when they comment link, they actually adding these sort of public comment replies right here. So let me simply copy this particular thing right here and use the same right here. So public reply to comment, so let me use the copy thing right here. So here you can actually have different variations as well. So it's better to recommend it to have different variations as well, because each customers will see different public comment replies for their comment. So let's add like 3 for now. So you can actually add multiple over here. And reply to, so let's say you want to trigger this particular automation on the post, this particular test post right here, only if they comment as link, or you can say comment that contains link. So even if they comment as can I get the link or link, it simply works. So that's why you can add this particular automation right here. And here you have more options as well. So here you can also delay these particular automation by few seconds, minutes as well. For example, let's just choose immediately over here and click save. And here you have the link option right here. So let me activate the comment automation we just created. This is the one. All right, it is activated. So now we can quickly test how this actually work. So let me show my phone screen right here, and we actually activated this particular comment automation on this test post 7, and I have to add a comment as link over here. You can just type like this, or you can type all caps, it doesn't matter. So let me see link and see what happens. So here I'm in the omnichannel inbox over here, and this is the customer who comment on the post right there, and this is the message they have received in their DMs. Simple as that. So that's a quick way to replace a link in bio with simple comment automation. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.